Hey guys, it's me. I'm Kelly, and uh, I know you've seen me in my previous video called Safe and Sound, cover by me, and yeah, so I just feel love singing. So as you know, yeah, I'm being called fat, and yeah, fat. So right now, I'm trying to lose weight, and I really did lose weight. Like I started controlling myself. I started dieting, started exercising a few months ago, like maybe 1.5 months. So yeah. So currently I've lost some weight. So before I was like 61 kilograms, and now I checked a while ago I was like 55 kilograms. So yeah. And by the way, I've lost 2 inches from my waist. Before I was like 32 inches? Yeah, what a shame for a 12-year-old to have 32 inches on the waistline. But right now I'm about 30 inches. So I still have a long way. So yeah, so I'm gonna tell you about how I did that, how I lose like 6 kilograms from my weight, and yeah. So I'm gonna tell you. So what I did, I started eating healthy. I started eating vegetables, fibers. Um, I quitted drinking sodas and quitted eating junk foods because those are really not good. Especially foods with lots of sugars like cakes, candies, and stuff. So you gotta stop eating those foods if you really wanted to lose weight. So what I did is instead of drinking soda, I sticked with water all day, nothing but water. But but sometimes I do drink non-fat milk just for calcium, for good health. Yeah, and off I drink green tea often because it really helps you increase your metabolism. It it may help you lose weight, especially when cheat days, because I will have cheat days like every Sunday, so that I won't crave for more food. Like every cheat days, I eat what I want. But at the night, of course, I eat before 7 because at night your metabolism slows down, which is hard for you to burn more fat. So you really need to eat before 7. So yeah. So back with the green tea. Green tea increases your metabolism and it helps you burn more fat. So you really need to drink green tea, and it's good for your body, good for your health. But not often. You should just drink it like maybe 6 times in a week or whenever you like it. It's just healthy. So yeah, I eat 4 times a day: breakfast, lunch, snack, and early dinner. So yeah, you really have to eat like that. It's like a bit of 4 to 4 diet. I think you should check that on Google. 4 to 4 diet. I know it's yeah. And you should reduce carbs, yeah, carbs like bread, rice. But I don't think I could reduce carbs because here in Asia, it's here in the Philippines, specifically the Philippines, we usually eat rice all the time. So yeah, but I just reduce it. Like before, I was like eating 2 cups of rice, but now just eat 1.5, or not 1.5. I mean half rice, or yeah, half or just 1 cup. So yeah, that's how I do my diet. Sometimes I drink fruit juices because they're really healthy for your body, like pineapple juice. Especially the L-carnitine, it will help burn fat. Yeah, I've searched it on Google. And pineapple juice is good for your heart. But sometimes I do drink. If you know that product, I don't know it. if it's available in US, the Fit and Right by Del Monte, because I've heard it brings fat. I don't know, it's just crazy. Yeah, but you should drink green tea. That's green tea. I really recommend you to drink green tea. Yeah. So that's how I did my diet. Just eat fruits, veggies, water, green tea, and you're done. You just reduce how reduce your calories, like 500 calories, like that. But you should have cheat days so you could crave less for food, because one time I'm really on my diet, and one time my sister, because my sister eats lots of chips and chocolates, I gobbled it all up because I really miss eating those chocolates and chips. So yeah, you should really have a cheat day so that you won't crave more for food. Yeah. So let's off with the diet and down with the exercise. Before, I really wasn't doing exercise because I'm a lazy person. But now I was encouraged because I've searched on YouTube and I found this Power Girl Fitness. Especially for a girl, of course, specifically for girls. Her name's Jessla Lipke, and she really encouraged me to exercise. So I do her workouts, like, if you know specifically the afterburn workout, like you do workouts and then you'd burn calories during the workout, and you'd also burn calories after the workout. So that's really beneficial. So you should go check it out, Power Girl Fitness on YouTube, and you're ready to go. And when exercising, you should not only do one workout, like your whole life. You should do like alternative workouts for your body so that you get better results. So yeah, and I do exercise every night, so that because every night your metabolism slows down. So you have to work it out at night, and so that you burn off the fats you ate during the day. Yeah, because if you exercise at morning, you just gain it back at the day, because you exercise at the morning, you eat breakfast, you eat lunch, so it's useless. You eat dinner, yeah, a bit of kind of useless. But during the weekdays, I exercise every morning when I hadn't eaten anything yet, and I would exercise at night after I eat my dinner. So yeah, those are just a bit of advices. I just wish you luck when doing your exercise. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember, eat veggies, fruits, fibers, uh, green tea, water, and do workouts. Yeah, and one more thing about the workouts, you should do cardio workouts. You should dance, pump it up, run, walk, and other than doing cardio, I would recommend you to do strength training, because you really need to build up muscles. Why muscles? I mean, you don't even need it. It's just you look bulky, right? But you really need it, because the more you have muscles, the more you burn fat, because muscles burn fat even when you're sleeping. So you really need muscles. Yeah. So thanks for watching.